Hey, this is Lians. First of all, thank you for watching. And in today's video, I will talk about DHCP. What is the DHCP and why it is important? Every time you connect your computer or smartphone to the internet, the DHCP operates in the background. While you are unlikely to need to configure the DHCP settings unless you are a network administrator. Understanding what the DHCP is and how it functions is beneficial. Before diving into the DHCP, let's understand public and private IP addresses. IP addresses are like home addresses for the internet, guiding data to and from websites. When setting up internet at home, your ISP assigns a public IP to your router for internet communication. However, with multiple devices at home needing to communicate, each has its own private IP address alongside the router's public one. DHCP automatically assigns these private addresses to devices, ensuring smooth internet connectivity without manual setup. So, what's the connection to DHCP? Well, your public IP must be unique, but your device's private IPs can change each time they connect to the internet, forming a shared pool. Websites like Google only need your public IP, not your private ones, to send data. Google sends data to your public IP linked to your router, which then forwards it to the right device as it knows all private IP addresses at that moment. DHCP, or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, is a network management protocol vital for assigning IP addresses to devices on a network, facilitating effective communication using IP address. It automates this process, sparing network administrator from manual configuration tasks. Whether it's a small network or a vast enterprise setup, DHCP can be implemented seamlessly. One of the DHCP's key features is its ability to assign new IP addresses as devices move within the network, eliminating the need for manual reconfiguration. By dynamically allocating IP addresses and other network configurations, DHCP ensures that devices can smoothly access network services like DNS and NTP, enhancing overall network functionality. And here is some advantage of using DHCP: easy of adding new clients, IP address reuse, simple IP space reconfiguration, centralized network configuration, and effortless management of new users. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you want me to make another part about how it works, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.